If you have studied Japanese for more than 3 months and still cannot make a basic sentence structures, let me help you in the next 10 minutes. So first of all, let's talk about the basic sentence structures. The English basic sentence structure is subject, verb, and object, like I drink water. On the other hand, Japanese basic sentence structure is subject, object, and verb. Then make sure the verb comes at the end. And what each part means, the subject, which is the doer, the who or what act. Object is the things, the action touched. And the verb is the action by itself and always last in the polite style in Japanese. Think about like a puzzle. So for example, like 私は水を飲みます, which means I drink water. The subject, which is the doer, which is 私, it means I. The object, which is things, the action touched, which is 水, it means water. And the verb, the action is placed at the end. 飲みます it means to drink. Another example is あなたはリンゴを食べます it means you eat an apple. Subject あなた you. The object リンゴ apple. The verb 食べます to eat. Okay, so this is the word order you can trust. The topic subject は object を verb. It's going to be A は B を食べます it means A eat B. A は B を飲みます it means A drinks B. A は B を見ます it means A watch B. So for example again, 私は寿司を食べます I eat sushi. 彼は水を飲みます He drinks water. 彼 means he. In this case, it's a subject. あなたはテレビを見ます You watch TV. The next step is you extend the sentence adding place and time. So the core shape doesn't change. You adjust putting the pieces into the pattern. So for example, like topic subject は place で object を verb. 私は公園で寿司を食べます I eat sushi at the park. 私 topic which is subject. I 公園 which is a place at the park. Sushi which is the object. And sushi 食べます verb. It means to eat. You also can add a time for a sentence. So time words are flexible. They can even move to the very front of the sentence. So for example like time, comma, topic subject は object を verb. 朝私はお茶を飲みます It means in the morning I drink water. 朝 time in the morning. 私 topic or subject. I お茶 object. Tea 飲みます verb to drink. You might be noticed the asa, which is the morning, moved to the front of the sentence before even the subject. So general or relative time word like asa, morning, 毎日 every day, 今日 today are flexible. They can sit at the front or right before the verb as well. It's gonna be anywhere. But make sure the verb comes at the end. Also, you can add a specific time by using a ni particle. We can talk about a particle later. But specific fixed point in time, like a clock time, days of the week, or a date, need a ni to mark them. Another example is topic subject は time に object を verb. 私は7時に朝ごはんを食べます。It means I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. 私 subject I 7時 time at 7 o'clock. 朝ごはん object breakfast. 食べます verb to eat. So make sure whenever you use a specific fixed point in time, you use a ni particle. And also if you want to combine a time and a place together, the word order is going to be subject, time, place, object, and verb. So time usually comes before the place when both appears. So for example, like topic subject は time に place で object を verb. 私は月曜日に公園でお茶を飲みます。I drink tea at the park on Monday. 私 subject I 月曜日 time on Monday. 公園 place at the park. お茶 object tea 飲みます verb to drink to make sure the verb comes at the end. So you might be wondering, what is a wa? What is a ni? What is a de? What is a word? What is a one word in between each element of the sentence? And this one is called a particle. So particle is a short sound that comes after the word and show its role in the sentence. You can think of particle like a spotlight on the topic, the highlighter on the subject, a pin on the map for a time or place, an arrow that shows the directions, and a plus sign that means also. So first of all, let's talk about the wa particle, which is the topic markers. So wa particle marks the topic of the sentence, like as for or speaking of in English. And it's make sure it comes after the topic word. So for example, like 私は学生です。It means I am student. The word I, 私, which is the topic, is a spotlight setting the scene that the sentence is about me. So you just need to put the wa right after the topic. Like 私はあなたは. So topic can be anything. It's gonna be like animal, it's gonna be like car, it's gonna be the house, it's gonna be country. Another main particle is the wo particle. Wo particle is a direct object markers. So it marks the direct object. What the action directly affect. And it comes after the object word before the verb. So for example, like 私はリンゴを食べます. It means I eat an apple. An arrow point from I, which is the topic, to apple, which is the object, to show that the action eating directly affect the apple. Need particle marks a specific point in time, like we talked about before, and the destination where you go to, and the receiver, the who receives something. The position is come after the time, destination, or the receivers. So for example, like 学校に行きます. It means I go to school. A pin is placed on the school showing it as a destination or location for the action. So whenever you use a ni particle as a location or a destination particle, the action is just in general, some action is showing a movement. So for example, it's going to be like a to drive, to go, to run. It's going to be anything. But make sure the action is some sort of action is showing movement. So ni is really tricky. It can be a time particle. It's going to be location particle. So just pay attention. You don't need to remember everything right now. I'm going to make another video about particles. So just understand. So ni particle can be used with a time or location. Another particle is a de particle, which is a location or a means marker. So it shows the where an action happens. It shows how or what means you do something. And make sure it comes after the place or tool or method. But just in general, please remember it as a location particle. So for example, like 公園で遊びます. It means I play at the park. So imagine like a circle around the park shows like it's a place where the action playing happens. Whenever you want to emphasize the location where the action happens, use a de right before the location. Let me give you a little bit one complicated example. So like 私は毎朝公園に行きます. It means I go to the park every morning. Topic, which is 私, I, time, 毎朝, every morning, place, 公園, park, verb, 行きます, to go. So 私は is the subject and the word particle. 毎朝 is a general time, so you don't need a ni particle. And 公園に, which is a destination marked by the ni particle because 行く is a verb, is showing a movement. And 行きます is just a verb and to go, the make sure verb at the end. If you want to learn how to actually speak Japanese, I'm doing a free newsletter and there's a link in the description, so please check it out. I upload a video about teaching Japanese or Japanese culture or whatever about Japan every week. So please interested, subscribe and see you in the next week.